Hi, in this activity, I will be walking you through how to research careers. I will show you two different websites to use, and we will also be completing this worksheet shown. For each of the careers that we research, you will fill in the information on this worksheet to keep yourself organized with what you learned. So for each of the jobs that you do, so job number 1 on the left, and job number 2 on the right, you will enter the website that you use to research. You will enter the job title. You will enter what that job does. So what does a typical day look like? What are some of the major job duties? You will enter how much money you could earn in that job. You will enter how much education or training is required. And then you will list 2 schools that interest you that offer the program for that job. So this is the worksheet that you'll use to fill all of that information in. So now I'd like to show you the 2 websites that we would like you to use to do this activity. So the first website is called My Next Move, and this is the web address. The second website is called California Career Zone, and this is the web address. Both of these websites are from the U.S. Department of Labor and Employment and Training Administration, or they pull their information from this department. So it's factual information that we know and that we can trust. So that's why we recommend you using these websites. They're also very user-friendly for high school students. So the first one that I'd like to show you is called My Next Move. So it's at mynextmove.org. So you'll key that in, and it will bring you to this page. From this page, you can choose to search a specific career. So if you know that you plan on being, like this example shows, a doctor, or you plan to build houses, or whatever career you know that you want to do, you could type it in here, and then you could push the search button. Or perhaps you don't know what your dream career would be. You could go over here to the middle section, Browse Careers by Industry, and you could choose from the drop-down which industry you're interested in. So if you know you wanted to do something in real estate and rentals, you could click on that and click the Browse button and find that way. Or if you're not sure about what type of work you might enjoy, you can do an interest inventory by clicking the Start button and answer questions about the type of work that you might enjoy, and then it will give you suggestions. So just in the interest of being able to show you how this website works, we are going to search careers with keywords. So in here, let's say we are interested in becoming an electrician. We will type in electrician. You'll click the search button. And then the top 20 careers for electrician shows up. So you can scroll down and see electrician. But if you scroll down, you can see careers that might be related to that occupation. So you'll click on electrician. And then it brings you to the main cover sheet for electricians. So it's neat because you can watch a career video about somebody doing that specific career. It gives you the answer to one of the questions on our worksheet, what they do, so you could list information right from there. You can also scroll down and see what types of knowledge, skills, abilities, personality, what technology might be helpful to know. It tells you what type of education is required. The job outlook. So it's important to look at job outlook information to see if the future for this career looks bright or if it looks like it might be something that you might want to avoid. So for electrician, it says that new job opportunities are very likely in the future. So that's good to know. It also shows the salary. Workers on average earn this top amount. and that there are some workers that earn up to that amount and some that are down to the $33,000 mark. It also gives you a section here where you can explore more. So these would be careers that are related to the career that you searched that you might be interested in. Then if you want even more information, you can click the link here and learn even more about that career that you chose. Okay, so that's a little bit about how My Next Move looks and how it works. So I strongly recommend giving that one a try to see what you think. The second one that I'd like you to look at is called California Career Zone. And this one also has many options once you get to the main screen. So the web address is cacareerzone.org. And once you're on this site, what you'd want to do is just put your mouse over the Explore section and look down here at Occupations. And you have an option of going to either searching all occupations, and in this you would be able to see every single occupation that they have on their database. You could choose by industry, which was similar to what they had at My Next Move. You could also look for careers that have a certain salary. You could look at the different job zones. So that's like what type of preparation for that career is required. So that's one of the options. The other way is you can go here to California Industry Sectors, and you could choose a career based on its industry sector. So let's say, again, we were interested in electrician. We could go into that sector and scroll down and find electrician here and click on it. And this cover sheet has a lot of the same information as My Next Move, but it does look a little bit different. If there's any videos, they would be up here on the top right. It shows the average salary. It shows what type of preparation for the job is required here. So it's job zone 3, so kind of in the middle. It shows what they do, which again is on the career research worksheet. It shows the interests, work values, things that you'd need to know, things that you'd be able to do, similar occupations. Let's keep scrolling here. And then you would see that currently there are 67,100 people currently employed as electricians. And then if we wanted to know about education and training, you could click on that and then click on electrician, and you would be able to see the different institutions that are offering training towards that career, places that you could go get the certifications related to electrician, places where you could go that are related to electrician to go receive education and training in that field. So that's what California Career Zone is all about. So I really like both of them, and I like them for different reasons. So I hope you have fun exploring them, and then just remember that you'll go on the career research worksheet and complete the research that you did to help yourself keep organized with the careers that you researched. Thank you.